What is up, Wanderers? It's time for another One Take Bag Review. You know what we do here. We look at a sweet backpack and we do a full review. We do a walkthrough, inside the bag, outside the bag. We go over two things that we love about the bag, two things that, not so much, and an overall recommendation. Should you buy this bag? And the bag in question today is from Under Armour. This is the Steph Curry bag, and it is pretty massive, and it's got a lot of storage and pockets. So this one checked a lot of boxes for me. That's why I went out and got this bag to review and check out for all of you. It's got tons of storage. It's got a high contrast interior. It's got camo, which I dig, a unique colorway with this navy blue and gray camo, and it's big enough to carry anything that you could possibly want to carry. So this one really got my attention, and I'm excited to kind of do a walkthrough of this bag with you guys and talk about, could this sub into a tech focused, a school carry, a work carry, or is this just for athletes? Let's get started. Okay, so right away you can see that there is MOLLE panels on the front, quite a bit of them, so highly functional on the front of the bag. And then you have a release back flap right here that flips up to give you access to the main compartment, which we'll dive into in a minute. On the back you can see a sternum strap that looks non-removable. So in case you were wondering, non-removable sternum strap. Comfortable, I tested this out, very comfortable to carry, backpack, adjustable, but I will say there may be some quality issues down the road with this bag. There's a little bit of fraying already with the bag. I bought it used, not heavily used, some fraying. You've got pockets on both sides. Let's start digging into what these pockets are. All right, so first off, this one on the side is pretty unique. This is a thermal water bottle pocket. So good for athletes, but really I think good for everybody, because you could use this as a lunchbox for sandwich. A Subway footlong would fit in there. You could put a drink in there, but a very useful pocket here, whether you're hiking or traveling or work or anything. Then on this side you've got kind of a little pocket, about the size of, Lord, would I say two cans of Pepsi. And then you've got another pocket down here with a high contrast yellow interior. This one is padded, this one is not. So this one's padded, this one's not. I think this one's padded because it's on the bottom of the bag. Smart thinking. Not sure why they didn't go ahead and just pad this one too. Unique closures. So up here you've got a snap closure, down here you've got a zipper. And then up top you've got a little felt lined sunglass pocket. Kind of a ridiculous place to put a sunglass pocket. Like, shouldn't that be up top? Like, this is where it's going to get smashed. So, and flipped over, and yeah. So you've got a felt lined pocket. Doesn't seem like the smartest place to put your sunglasses. Let's check out this main compartment. Zips almost all the way down. That's pretty good. And we've got another compartment here that I wanted to show you. So this compartment is big enough for a basketball or some shoes. So this is a Steph Curry bag, remember? I think this is designed for a basketball. It's got the dimensions to hold a basketball. You could use it for a lot of things. Unfortunately, there's not much organization inside. So if you're looking for an admin panel in your front pocket, this is not the bag for you. Inside the bag, you've got just kind of a yellow cavernous interior for changes of clothes, etc. No other additional pockets inside the exterior portion of this bag. Flip this back closed, and then we'll open up the back. In the back, we have a laptop compartment, two drop pockets, and the whole entire thing can be treated as a slip pocket. Then you have a tiny little key fob. So, this is an interesting bag. So I think for a travel bag, this could work because there's plenty of room for you to have packing cubes, and you can bring your laptop along, and then you've got some exterior storage, and you can clip on another bag or two to the MOLLE panels up front. So that's not too bad, honestly. there's a couple of things that I really do love about this bag. The first thing I really love about this bag is the side pockets. So the cushion pocket down here, this pocket, I'd rather have a zipper on it. And then this really innovative kind of, we'll call it the lunchbox pocket. But drinks, food, it's an insulated pocket. I think more bags could do that. Second thing I really like about this bag is the colorway, with one caveat. I'll get to it in just a second. But I really like the gray and blue. There's so many tactical bags out there that are either coyote or OD green or black or gray. Just mix it up. Change the moly panels. Like take a cue from this. Toss on a little bit of a yellow interior. It costs almost nothing compared. And man, it really pops. It looks great. It's a great looking bag. So, two things that we don't like so much about this bag. Well, the first thing that we don't like so much about this bag is the annoying branding. So I said I love the colorway. God, I hate the Steph Curry logo, the Under Armour logo. These are fine. These are obnoxious, okay? So, and there's nothing you can do about them. You bought the bag, you're stuck with the Steph Curry Under Armour logo. And I don't know why they have to do it this way, because if you look at their Project Rock stuff, which is done in conjunction with the Rock, it's not as annoying as this. It's got the bull symbol, so I don't know. Yeah, don't love that. The other thing I don't love about this bag is having to unhook and unflap this really useless flap in order to access the main compartment. This would be a better bag without this. And frankly, if I keep this bag, I may cut this off because that will get rid of the Steph Curry logo and get rid of the annoying having to open that up. And it's still a cool tactical bag without that. So yeah, talking to you guys right now, I'm cutting that thing off. Goodbye, Steph Curry. All right, so is it a good bag? Yes. Do I recommend it for non-athletes? No, not really. I think there's a couple of Under Armour bags that I think really do work for office situations, work situations, hiking, travel, etc. The Project Rock ones, again, come to mind. This one, once you get past the cool exterior, the interior is just a big, cavernous, open pocket. That may be perfect for you if you're minimalist and you've got your gear packed into tiny packing cubes or other bags that you like to toss into a bigger bag. This might be perfect for you, honestly. So if I keep it, it's going under the knife, snip, snip, snip. I hope that you enjoyed this unique review. We've got another another Under Armour duffel bag coming up that I'm excited to show you. But wanted to go into kind of a different territory here and review a bag from Under Armour. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And as always, the link to purchase this bag and similar bags from Under Armour are in the description. Thanks you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.